Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice. Welcome back to another easy meditation. Today's meditation is going to be focused on just coming back to yourself. We'll take a moment to find a comfortable seated position and gently close your eyes. And then when you're ready, we'll begin to just bring some depth into the breath, allowing each inhale to pull you deeper in to your body. And then each exhale sends away anything that does no longer serve you in this moment. We're inhaling together deeply. And then exhaling away everything that does no longer serve you. Do this a couple more times to set the tempo of the breath, being sure to focus the mind on the inhales and exhales. If you need a more precise point of focus, you could consider bringing the awareness to the nostrils and sensing the sensation of the breath traveling between each nostril with each inhale and each exhale. Noticing any tingles or anything that's happening inside the body as we continue to focus just on ourselves in this moment. So much of our energy is dispersed throughout the day, whether it's a job or a spouse, a loved one, a pet, a friend. For the next couple minutes, this time is dedicated for you to love and serve you. This practice where we can come in and let ourselves know that we are loved by ourselves first and foremost. And if there's anything that you're still holding on to from earlier today or any time in the past, let's go ahead and let go of that. Again, with a nice conscious inhale. And then a full exhale, exhaling everything out of the lungs. Pausing when you get to the bottom, and then inhaling back open again. Exhaling gently and naturally falls next. And keep this rhythm going for just a couple more breaths at your own pace. Forgiveness is such a powerful, powerful tool. And it is most effective, I believe, if we learn to forgive ourselves first. Forgiving yourself for any missed opportunity. Forgiving yourself for any false expectations you may have had or have for yourself in this now moment. Learning to forgive ourselves and be easier on ourselves can allow us to do the same for the people that we surround ourselves with. And once we're in a place of forgiveness, we can be in a place of compassion and love for all things that surround us and make up this experience. Let's return our focus back to the breath. Inhaling and exhaling everything fluidly as can be, working to lengthen the inhales to match the length of the exhales, almost to a point maybe where it's so smooth you can hardly notice where one ends and the other begins. Continue this breath pace with the music guiding you, internalizing all of the sensations that you are now beginning to feel. Noticing the weight of the body, noticing the pressure points on where your body may be in contact with the ground. We'll bring that awareness back to the breath once more. A great way to practice forgiveness is noticing if your mind is slipping. How gently can you bring it back to the breath? How easily can you send it love and send your attention back to the nostrils? This is a practice that involves forgiveness and patience and compassion for oneself. There is no end destination with meditation. Each breath is the purpose. And you can never really do it wrong. Work on that moment by moment awareness as we finish out the last couple minutes of this meditation. Really bring all of your mind's will to focus right on that breath. Great job. We'll finish out with one long, very smooth, deepest inhale of your practice today. Inhaling more, a little bit more until you've absolutely maxed out your capabilities all the way. And then exhale and let everything slowly drain out, falling away. Feel your torso depleting and your lungs emptying. Go ahead and slowly begin to wiggle the fingers, maybe the toes, coming back into this reality here. Taking a moment to think of something you're grateful for. I'm grateful that you joined here today and made this a priority. Out of your limited time available today, you chose you. And I'm grateful to be here with you. Remember, this space always exists for you, and you can come here anytime you wish. We look forward to seeing you again next time. Namaste.